A beautiful smile is all in the design at Chesterfield Dental Studio. This next Ask the Medical Expert segment has been sponsored by Chesterfield Dental Studio. And joining me this afternoon is Dr. Jasmine. Welcome to Studio STO.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here.
I'm glad you're here too. And let's talk a little bit about your dental studio. I mean, that alone sounds absolutely amazing. You're not just going to the dentist office, you're going to a studio. Let's talk about smile design and how you specialize in that.
Yeah, so there's actually no residency or specialty for cosmetic dentistry, so it's kind of up to the dentist to take continuing education courses, classes, really get to know details, and it does take a little bit of a natural aesthetic eye. Cosmetic dentistry, I think of it as restorative, so aesthetics follows function, but a lot of training outside of school, and just a lot of hands-on experience as well that leads to being able to create beautiful smiles that really look cohesive in someone's mouth and with their face.
Yes, all of the above. We want it to be beautiful. We want it to be cohesive. It's aesthetically gorgeous, but also, like you said, it's functional. What does that look like for you in the day-to-day with your patients?
So everyone's a little different. Every case is different. It's catered to the person's needs and their wants. So sometimes people will come in wanting a certain thing, but what they're needing is a little different. So we go over, we take videos, we take scans, we take photos. I have a set amount of time where I speak to the patient, really get to know them and what they're wanting, and do a little facial analysis as well. So every smile is different. Everything's meant to look perfect
and fit
for
to
that.
you.
Yes, fit to you. It's custom, but it kind of just depends. So it could be a variety of things, but it's meant to be a comforting experience that builds confidence for the patient while building a healthy, beautiful smile.
Oh, I love that. We want to feel confident, look better. I mean, we're looking at some before and after photos. I mean, these smiles already look great, but then you come back, you work your magic, and I know all of your patients are like, yes, Dr. Jasmine, thank you. Thank you for making me feel like me again. I mean, when we talk about cosmetic dentistry, we think about veneers, but sometimes they can get a bad rap. What do you have to say to that?
Yeah, they, especially recently, I'd say with like TikTok or Instagram, patients will come to me and be like, I want to change my smile, I want some improvements, but I don't want my teeth shaped down. Shark teeth is what I see all the time. And I have to explain to patients that veneers are meant to be a conservative treatment. They're thin, like a fingernail or a contact lens.
Oh, I didn't know
Yeah, and in some cases, depending on the person's teeth, your teeth might not need to be drilled on at all. And if they do, it's meant to be minimal because these are thin and the strongest bond is with the outer layer of the tooth. So really, you can kind of see on that model that the tooth that I took the veneer off of, it looks really similar to the tooth right behind it.
It does.
And that has been adjusted slightly so the tooth doesn't look bulky, but you're keeping about 90% of your tooth structure.
That's a win. I mean, that's something that people don't know when they're thinking about veneers or talking about veneers or cosmetic dentistry. So St. Louis, this has been the perfect introduction for you. If you're thinking about maybe wanting to change your smile, fix your smile, the Chesterfield Dental Studio is here for you. Dr. Jasmine is an incredibly trained in this field, in this area. And if you're interested in learning more, maybe even booking your own consultation appointment for cosmetic dentistry, you absolutely can. You can head online to their website at chesterfielddentalstudio.com. They're located on Clarkson Road in Chesterfield, Missouri. And of course, we'll make sure you have access to all of their info, as well as how you can keep up with the Dental Studio and Dr. Jasmine on Facebook and on Instagram. All of those handles are right there on your screen.